You are going to use for each loops with collections and arrays. So this means that the code usually has one or more items to cycle through or to loop through. So for example, if you want to calculate the values in all the cells that belong to a range, you can use for each. Or if you want to change the names of all the sheets in a workbook collection, you would use for each. And the number of iterations or loops in the code totally depends on the number of objects that are in the collection. So if you're using the workbooks collection and you only have 5 worksheets, then the code is going to loop 5 times. So on the screen here, you see the syntax for a for each loop. Here we start with for each, and then you put in the name of the object. So this is going to be whatever object in the collection that you want to perform the action on, so cells or worksheets. Then you have the keyword of in, and then you want to tell VBA what the collection is, like a range. You type in your code statement. This is going to be whatever you want to have happen to each of those objects. And then you have next. And that's going to move control to the next object in the collection. So in your code, you might have something like, for each cells in range, do X, Y, and Z, and then next. And in the following lecture, we'll go through an example.